Life Energy Diet, the best diet for lasting health. In a world full of diet trends and confusing health advice, one approach stands the test of time: the Life Energy Diet. Unlike calorie counting, keto, or plant-based extremes, the Life Energy Diet is rooted in ancient wisdom and modern results. It doesn't just aim for weight loss, it rebuilds your whole body, restores energy, and promotes true, lasting health. Why most diets fail. Modern diets often focus on quick fixes, whether that's cutting carbs, boosting protein, or chasing the newest superfoods. But most fail for three main reasons. 1. They ignore energy. Food is more than nutrients, it's energy. Without life energy, even nutrient-dense meals can leave you feeling tired or bloated. 2. They weaken digestion. Many popular diets overwhelm or confuse the digestive system. Cold smoothies, raw vegetables, and high-fiber trends can harm people with weak or unbalanced systems. 3. They overlook emotional health. Stress, shame, and negative self-image are at the root of many eating patterns, but rarely addressed in fad diets. What makes the Life Energy Diet different? The Life Energy Diet strengthens you from the inside out. It's built on 5 essential principles. 1. Eat for energy, not just nutrients. While most modern diets focus on carbs, protein, and vitamins, the Life Energy Diet focuses on foods that give you energy your body can actually use. Warm cooked meals, traditional cooking methods, ingredients that nourish organs and strengthen digestion. Foods that are energetically alive, like freshly prepared stews, soups, root vegetables, pasture-raised meats, and whole grains, support energy, immunity, and emotional balance. 2. Honor your body's natural rhythms. Eat in harmony with your body clock. Morning, start your day with warm foods like congee or cooked grains when digestion is at its peak. Midday, follow with a nourishing, balanced meal when your digestive fire remains strong. Evening, wind down with a light, easy-to-digest dish to prepare your body for rest. This rhythm optimizes nutrient absorption and boosts vitality. 3. Use traditional energy-retaining cooking. Forget microwave dinners and cold raw bowls. Instead, slow cook, steam, simmer, and gently stir-fry to preserve life energy in your meals. 4. Choose local, seasonal foods. Seasonal eating supports your body through the energetic shifts of nature. Cooling foods in summer when your body is overheated, and warming stews in winter after you've been out in the frozen cold for hours, these align with your environment and support your organ systems. Practice mindful eating. Chew slowly, eat without distractions, and savor your food. This not only supports digestion but improves emotional and mental clarity. A lifestyle that heals. This isn't a crash diet. It's a complete shift in how you understand food, health, and energy. The Life Energy Diet has helped people with chronic fatigue, digestive problems, emotional eating, weight imbalance, long-term health challenges, and it can help you too. Need personalized support? If you're dealing with stubborn weight issues, low energy, or want to truly heal through food, book a health consultation and Qigong healing session with Julia Sun. Let's rebuild your health with personalized diet guidance and life energy restoration. Start your journey today. The Life Energy Diet is part of the Total Life Energy Plan. Lifelong health, powered by nature and honored by history. Let your kitchen be your best pharmacy. Let food be your true medicine. Let life energy be your guide. Head to TotalLifeEnergyPlan.com to learn more. And don't forget to check out our Life Energy Diet video playlist right here on the channel.